Here are the 10 moments she stops seeing you as just a friend. Men miss this often. 1. Going out suddenly feels like a date instead of just hanging out. When you've been friends with a woman, plans usually feel casual. Coffee, group hangouts, or studying together. But then, something changes. She suggests dinner, asks you to dress a certain way, or chooses a spot with soft lighting. Suddenly, what used to feel like just hanging out has the energy of a date. In psychology, this is called a context shift, when the environment and setup signal romantic intent instead of platonic. The important part is how she treats the outing. She may pay more attention to how she looks, linger longer, or steer the conversation toward personal topics. Watch for her framing the plan with more exclusivity. A smart way to handle this is to lean in, mirror her effort, and let her know you see the difference too. 2. Casual touches begin to happen, such as a hand on your arm or sitting close. Did you know that research shows touch is one of the strongest signals of attraction? Psychologists call it tactile communication. And when a woman begins adding it naturally, it often marks a turning point. She might brush her hand against yours when handing you something, sit close enough that your legs touch, or place her hand on your arm when laughing. These touches are not random. They're deliberate ways of breaking physical barriers without going too far too fast. It's her way of testing comfort and signaling openness. If she starts using touch more often, it's a sign she sees you as more than just a friend. One thing you can try is gently reciprocating, like a light touch on her back or shoulder, to let her know the feeling is mutual. 3. A direct compliment about your looks comes your way. Friendship often involves compliments, but usually they're light and general. You're funny, or you're great to talk to. The moment she crosses into romantic territory, the compliments shift. She might say, "You look good in that shirt," or "Your smile is really attractive." In psychology, this is a form of verbal intimacy. She's highlighting physical qualities to see how you respond. Complimenting your looks is risky for her because it opens the door to attraction, and it's usually not something a woman says unless she wants you to notice. If she starts doing this more often, it's a strong indicator her perception of you is changing. To keep the energy going, give her a genuine compliment back, but keep it specific so she feels seen rather than brushed off. 4. Jealousy shows up when you mention or spend time with other women. You may notice she reacts differently when you bring up another woman. Her tone changes, her mood shifts, or she suddenly asks more questions. Jealousy, while often subtle, is a strong indicator she no longer sees you as just a friend. Psychologists call this mate guarding behaviour, and it's instinctive. Even if she tries to play it off, you'll sense the shift in her energy. Instead of seeing your other connections as harmless, she may begin to see them as competition. This doesn't mean she'll admit her feelings outright, but her reactions are often louder than her words. The best way to handle this moment is by reassuring her. Show her she has your attention, and she matters. Sometimes, simply redirecting the focus back to her is all it takes to ease the tension. 5. Texts shift into playful or late-night conversations. Texts between friends can be random and practical, sharing memes, updates, or plans. But when she starts messaging you late at night, playfully teasing, or drawing out conversations with flirty undertones, it's a clear sign the dynamic is changing. In psychology, this is known as escalation of intimacy through communication. She's not just filling time, she's creating connection and making you part of her private moments. The tone becomes lighter, more teasing, and more personal. If she's texting you instead of going to sleep, that's not friendship, it's desire. Pay attention to how she uses emojis, how long she keeps the exchange going, and whether she brings up inside jokes. To build on this, match her tone and add a little playful teasing of your own. It keeps the spark alive and growing. 6. Your opinion on her appearance starts to matter to her. It's subtle, but you'll notice she begins to seek your approval more than before. She might ask, "Do you like this dress?" Or smile extra wide if you compliment her new haircut. This shift is important. She's signaling that what you think carries emotional weight. Psychologists note that we tend to value the opinions of people we're emotionally invested in. When she cares about how you see her, it's a clue she's hoping you'll notice her differently. Don't ignore it. Acknowledge her effort with genuine compliments, not as generic ones. Instead of just saying, "You look nice," point out specifics like, "That colour makes your eyes pop." This shows her you're paying attention. To take it further, mix compliments with playful curiosity, like asking why she chose that style. It keeps the moment flirty. 7. She puts in extra effort to make time to see you. Ever realize she's suddenly clearing her schedule just to hang out? That's no coincidence. When a woman begins prioritizing you, even if it means rescheduling other things, it's often because her feelings are shifting. Psychology research shows we make time for people we see as valuable or potentially important to our future. If she goes from "I'm so busy" to "I can squeeze you in," she's showing you where you stand. Take note of how often she makes the effort, because that's a reliable sign she's moving beyond friendship. Don't just accept it passively. Match her energy. Suggest plans yourself instead of always waiting for her to reach out. One simple way is to propose something casual but personal, like grabbing her favourite coffee. Another smart move is to surprise her with flexible plans, showing you're also making her a priority. 8. Conversations include deeper or more romantic feelings. What she talks about begins to change. Instead of sticking to everyday gossip or friendly chatter, she starts opening up about her dreams, insecurities, or even what she wants in a relationship. Psychologists call this emotional disclosure, and it's a sign of trust and attraction. Sharing deeper thoughts signals she wants you to see the real her, not just the surface. She might also test the waters with light comments about romance to gauge how you'll react. When this happens, don't deflect or joke it off too quickly. Lean in. Ask open-ended questions that invite her to share more. This makes her feel safe and understood. A great tip is to reflect her words back with interest, like saying, "So what you're really looking for is someone who..." Another good move is to add your own vulnerability, creating intimacy faster. 9. Teasing changes into obvious flirting. At first, friendly teasing might feel harmless, but when it shifts into playful remarks about how you'd look as a couple, or exaggerated fake jealousy, she's signaling more. Psychology shows humour is a low-risk way of expressing interest. It's her strategy to test attraction while keeping things light. Notice if her teasing comes with touches, longer smiles, or an expectant pause. These are signs she wants you to notice the shift. Don't stay stuck in friend mode. Match her tone, but add a subtle flirt back. You don't need to be over the top. A simple, "Careful, you're making me think you like me," with a grin lets her know you're aware. To strengthen the moment, add gentle touches, like a light tap on her shoulder. It mirrors her energy and doubles the playful tension. 10. Future plans are brought up, such as trips, family visits, or holidays together. A woman imagining you in her future isn't a small thing. When she starts weaving you into long-term ideas, whether it's suggesting you join a holiday party, talking about a trip, or casually mentioning how her family would love you, it's a strong signal she's not just seeing you as a casual friend. In psychology, this is called future pacing, and it's a way of mentally testing how you fit into her life. Instead of brushing it off, engage with her ideas, even lightly. Say something like, "That sounds fun. We'd probably make a good team travelling." This shows you're open without locking into commitment too quickly. Another way to respond is by sharing your own fun future thought, like suggesting a festival or road trip. It keeps things light but shows you see her there too.